Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram story from someone. First, you'll need to open your Instagram, make sure you're on your account, and then slide right. From here, you'll see a gear icon located on the upper right part of your screen. Click on that. Now you're on your settings, click Story. In here, you'll see Hide Story From. That's what you want, so click that. Now you can select those people you want to hide your story from. You can also use search bar in order for you to search those people, and then click Done. Now, what if you want to edit those people you're hiding your story from? Then, just go back to your settings, click the gear icon once again, click Story, Hide Story From. Now you can unselect those people you would like to remove from this list, and then click Done. And that's how you hide and unhide Instagram story from someone. If you like this video, please leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.